How to give Robux to friends on Roblox Mobile. Hello everybody, today we're going to see a quick and easy way to give Robux to friends on Roblox Mobile. So what your friends are going to have to do first is create a stand on Please Donate, and you can easily donate on that. So I'm going to show you guys how to create a stand. First, open up Roblox Mobile and make sure that you log into your account. Once you open it up, you'll find the profile and the more icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on more, then scroll down until you find create. Tap on create, and then from here you want to select your experiences. So on the top left corner you'll have the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you go here, go to creations. Now once you are here, you can select any experience that you want. So I'll just go ahead and select my experience. That is my private game over here. I can select it. Again, you can tap on the three lines right besides dashboard. And then scroll down until you find monetization. Under there, you'll find passes. Go ahead and tap on passes. And then from here, you want to create a pass. So first thing you want to do is scroll down and tap on create a pass. Now you're going to have to give it a name. So let's just name it something like friend pass. You could also add a description if you want, and then tap on create pass. You could also change the picture of the pass, but I'll just leave it as it is. Now go ahead and tap on your friend's pass or whatever you've named it. Then tap on the dashboard right besides it. From this menu, go to sales. Now you want to put the item to sale and toggle this button. Now enter the price, but before you enter the price, you have to note that you only get 70% of what you enter here. So let's say if your friend wants to send you 100 Robux and you enter 100 over here, you're actually only gonna get about 70 Robux, and the remaining 30 Robux is gonna go to Roblox itself. So make sure you calculate that beforehand. I'll just do something like, let's do 10 Robux for now, and then tap on save changes. Now all you have to do is, well, all your friend has to do is close this out. Once the pass is created, go to home and then go to please donate. Now play this game. And from here, your friend is going to have to set up a stand. So it will point an arrow over to a empty stand. Go over here, hold and press on it to claim the stand. And then you'll find all of the passes that you've created over here. So I'll just go ahead and tap on this plus icon here to view all of my passes. And then it's going to be available right on here, displayed just like this. So these people also have set up the stand and they have all these Robux over here. And then you could just click on this plus icon here to find yours as well. Now just keep tapping next, and then your passes will also be shown right over here. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.